Tutorial number 13 in CATIA for beginners. Let's start a new sketch. Going to the Sketcher workbench, and in the previous tutorial we talked about the constraint, contact constraint, fixed together auto constraint, and we're going through all these features in the profile. And now we're going to continue talking about the next menu operation, which will talk about corner, or in other CAD program, fillet. So let's start making a rectangle, and let's activate the corner. Also we can find it here on the right side. Choose this edge and this edge, so we made a corner. And if you see in the sketch tool, you can see the radius of that corner. And again, you can adjust the radius, for example, to be 20. And again, let's choose corner. And as you notice here, we have several types of the corner. You can have a look and you can understand the way how to be used. So for example, if you use this type, you can choose one line, second line, and it will be moving through these two lines and keeping one of the lines without trimming, as you noticed in the here, one line is kept. If you choose this type, so it will keep two lines. If you choose this type, this is going to keep two lines after making the fillet or the corner. Now let's continue with the corner, and this one also the same like the previous. As you can see from the look, let's try make two lines, and one line here to show you the difference between these two type of corner, this one and this one. Let's first use this one, and as you notice, it keep the line without trimming. If we choose the second type, this one going to trim the lines after making the corner, and so on. And this one will keep construction after making the corner or the fillet. And the last one, it will keep the extension without trimming the excess in the lines. If you choose this one and this one, you can notice here are without trimming the excess lines. In the next tutorial, we're going to continue talking about the operation and using the chamfer. So see you in the next tutorial.